2016 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.